trying out some new ways of rinsing down ponds. Zach picked up a new nozzle for the garden hose. Zach, let's take a look at that one. So who makes that one? He picked it up at Home Depot. It's got a pulsating head to it. Melner. So let me see if I can zoom into this. So there's Melner. Let me zoom out real quick. You turn it on. Heavy. So see how it rotates like that? Just enough to take a little bit of the hard algae off of the large rocks. You can see this one right here. Still got a lot of algae on the one side, but he's already rinsed the other side. So the other thing we're trying out is these new hose adapters on the end, the nozzles, typical to a fire hose, but it's a 2-inch. We purchased 2-inch lines to be able to drain the ponds faster and drop them in the pond. To be able to drain the ponds faster, but also to be able to heavily rinse down the bottom. We'll show you that in a couple minutes. So here's new guy Zach.
Hi.
So Zach's vacuuming out the biological filter here, all the sediment that's been in there. There's Connor with his new white shoes. The skimmer is already rinsed down right here. Good to go. The mats were rinsed down over there in that plastic bag. The mats were rinsed down last fall. I didn't keep them in when I ran it all summer long, or I'm sorry, all winter long. The pump it's been running all winter long. Getting this one started. The fish are in the tanks. Let's go take a look at the fish. So the fish are in the tanks. Now this is clear water that's going to go back into the pond. And then this is dirty water that we ended up pulling off the bottom of the pond. So we're going to use this to rinse real quick and then pump out of the pond at the same time. We're going to rinse with the 2-inch hose and with the fire nozzle. And this is what it looks like. A little while longer and we'll have this one all done, and we'll move to the front and we'll get that Pondless all up and running. So new guy Zach is vacuuming out leaves, any heavy debris that got blown into the pond over the winter time and culminated around the base of the falls. So he's vacuuming up that in between rocks. Any dead plants, maybe like along this edge here, those are going to get trimmed up, and over here. So they're plugging away.
One hour later.
That beautiful fish getting launched into the pond again. There's my dad. He's going to get more fish. He's rescuing these fish. Well, I wouldn't say rescuing. He's cleaning out the pond right now. It was all dirty, and then we did a pond cleanup. There's another one. He's taking the fish from the clean pond water that we had and placing them into the pond now. Releasing them back into their home. There they belong. Right under that rock there, that flat rock, where they live. We actually gave all of our fish names. That one right there, that one's Betty White. See that one right there, that big one? That one's Betty White. From the Golden Girls. We named them all. We're draining the water back into the pond, and the guys are back there. There's two more.
That one's Betty White.
That one's
This
Betty
one
White,
right
yeah.
here, the golden one, is Betty White. Touch the screen. All right, well, the pond is up and running again. Spring clean out was done. It's a little bit cloudy right now, but that clears up within a day or two, maybe a couple hours, all depends. We rinse this out, as you can see. Got a lot of those organics off the bottom that had been accumulating throughout last season and during the winter. We've got another maybe 4 or 5 inches to go. And what do you think, Maggie? Is it good? Maggie says it's good. She gives us a thumbs up, and she gets to watch her fish again. If you like this video on pond cleanouts, you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.